guys, it's me, Liam from Boredom Busters, and welcome to Drawing for Beginners, Episode 6. Today we will be drawing a realistic lemon. So, yesterday we drew an apple, so today we're going to draw a lemon. Instead of looking at a video, since my iPad's kind of getting low on battery, I'm just looking at the thumbnail of the video. So, what we want to start off with is, I think, just a circle like this. These are just the guidelines. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then we're going to draw another circle right here for the second lemon. Thank you so much, guys, for 61 subscribers. Yes, that's a ton, and we're only 40 subscribers away from 100. And I'm so excited. We've been gaining a ton. So yes, guys, just want to say, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll put the link down below if you want to color your own lemon. I'll put the link down below for the coloring video, because I feel like that got a lot more views than normal. And I think people really like that one. So you guys can check that out. We're just going to draw our lines like this. And tomorrow will be our last day of Drawing for Beginners, the Drawing for Beginners series, sorry. But don't worry about that, because I'll still be showing you guys how to draw stuff. Just not this series. Once you learn how to do this, I bet you'll be way better at drawing. Now, I want you guys at the end of the week to see all of your drawings and see how much you've improved. It can even just improve. Like, my friend drew a picture, and it improved just when he drew it again. One more time, and it was so much better. That was with me too, and yeah, I've improved drawing so much better. Sometime I might show you my drawings, maybe for my 70 sub special. I'm so excited for that, and we're just gonna draw it like that. So I guess you could say that's our outline for now, kind of. Yeah. Okay. Now here's kind of a tricky part. What you want to do is you want to draw like this, like a little thing. Sorry, camera's a little bit like that. Okay. I want to draw like a little seed, kind of like this. I don't know how to explain it, but like the fruit part, I guess, like the guts or something like that. I don't know. Just like this. But then you want to go up, and then like this, and like that. And then up, and then down, kind of like that. It's okay. It's not my best, but I think I'm gonna just redo this real quick. But you guys just make it longer and make it closer to the edge. But after that, we can get to the easy parts. This is probably the hardest part. So anyway, guys, my goal is to get 100 subscribers at the end of the year, like I said in my recent videos. So just, yeah, like I said, please subscribe. And, let's see. I think tomorrow for end drawing, how about we draw, a realistic eye. I think we could draw realistic human eye. I don't like the outlines of this, but you guys might do a little bit better than me. So kind of like that. And like this. You can make a circle to make it right if you want. So like this and like that. There we go. It's okay. But to make mine a little bit better, all I'm going to do is just, I think it's good for now. Just for you guys. Could go like this. Then these are the seeds. One right here. One right here. And one right here. Make this one a little bit longer. It's okay. Okay. We're going to draw some lines right here. Just down like this. This one's okay, but we're going to be shading, so just like this, down like that. And if the iPad dies, I think I'll know what to do. Because it's pretty easy after this part. Like this. I'm just going to leave that line there. I don't know why. Like this. And down. Just like this. Like this and that. Then the last one like this and that. Oh wait, there you go. There's your basic outline. I don't like mine too much, but it's okay. Now we're gonna be starting to shade this. So, let me see, where should I start? I think we'll start like this. Just like this. Want an extra bump right here. And we'll maybe make this a little bit shorter. Just down like this. I don't know, something like that. Yeah, there's different lemon-sized shapes. I don't know. You guys could do whatever shape you want, but yeah. There we go. All right. It's pretty good so far. Now we're going to take a dark outline right here. Just like this. There we go. Now we're going to start shading. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the flat edge of our pencil. And we're just going to start shading from dark. We're just going to be using this type of shading. Actually, you know what? I might use my finger or I have my blending stump right here. So I might use that. Depends how the texture is on mine. But just like this. And you guys could use your finger for shading. Just that's a good way for beginners, I think. My birthday is in less than 2 weeks, and I'll be making a different video for you guys. It will be a little bit different. It won't necessarily be too much about my birthday, but it will be, I'll give you a hint, it has to do with plants. I'm doing something with this thing. I'm not going to tell you, but we're growing something. That's all I could say. Darker right here. I think I'm going to use my blending stump. Just going to use it over here. This kind of looks like a lemon in a way. Not too much in my opinion, but your guys's might be better. Just gonna use this and then blend this in. It's a little bit better. Just gonna add a little bit more detail. So what you guys want to do is just add a couple, maybe tiny like dots like this. And you guys could add some lines like, I guess like this or something. I don't know. Please make sure to like and subscribe, guys. And like I said, my goal is to get 100 subscribers at the end of the year. And I'll put the link in the description of the coloring video. All right, guys. See you tomorrow for the last episode of Drawing for Beginners. Bye.